Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid responsive in CSS. First, set up your main container with display. Grid. This establishes the foundation for your layout. Next, define your initial column and row structures using grid template columns and grid template rows. For instance, you might start with 3 columns. Finally, add some breathing room between your grid items by applying a gap property, perhaps 20 pixels, for a clean, organized appearance. Now, let's make those columns truly flexible. Utilize grid template columns with the repeat function, specifically AutoFit and MinMax. This powerful combination ensures your columns automatically adjust to fill the available space. For example, set a minimum width of 250 pixels and a maximum of 1 fraction unit. This means columns will be at least 250 pixels wide and will expand to fill the container evenly. To truly adapt your grid, we'll use media queries. These allow you to apply different CSS rules based on the viewport width. For instance, you can define a media query for screens smaller than 768 pixels. Inside this query, you might change grid template columns to display only 1 column, stacking your content vertically. This ensures your layout remains readable and functional across devices, from large desktops to small mobile phones. For more advanced control, explore Grid Autoflow, dense to optimize how items fill available space, preventing large gaps. Remember to use FR units for flexible column and row sizing, allowing your grid to scale proportionally. Always test your responsive grid thoroughly on different screen sizes and orientations. This ensures a seamless user experience, providing a robust and adaptable layout for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.